Step into the arena, Challenger. These tutorial guides will equip you with the essential knowledge to conquer the Colosseum. Learn how to master battles, unlock powerful rewards, and uncover the hidden secrets that lie within. Whether you're just starting your journey or seeking to rise through the ranks, these guides will enhance your strategy, boost your odds of victory, and reveal mysteries that await inside the Colosseum's legendary walls. Prepare, learn, and fight to triumph. Glory awaits.
Obtainables. EXP. Experience points are gained by achieving victory in the Colosseum battles, and in most cases, lost upon defeat. So every fight carries risk and reward. In addition to battle rewards, players also gain a small amount of passive EXP over time, which is automatically applied each time you log in. As you accumulate EXP and reach the required thresholds, you'll level up, unlocking access to more challenging content within the Colosseum. Reaching higher levels allows players to take on group battles at level 3, 7, 12, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70, multi-boss encounters, and more dangerous foes. You can view your current level and how much EXP is needed to reach the next within your profile. Some equipment and settlement buildings provide EXP boosts, helping you level up faster and reach the toughest trials sooner. Conquest points. Conquest points are earned through victories in the Colosseum battles and will also be gained from raid battles. These points do not apply to unique encounters or boss battles. Your earned conquest points contribute not only to your personal progress, but also to the total score of your house. They stack with points earned by fellow members, fueling friendly rivalry and house dominance. To check your current conquest points and to see which house is leading, head over to the home page. Every battle counts. Every point pushes your house forward. Will your house rise to the top? Gil. Gil is the primary currency used throughout the Colosseum, settlement, and upcoming raid content. It fuels your progression by allowing you to purchase items from various shops, build, upgrade, and repair structures in your settlement, unlock strategic advantages through smart spending for unique power-ups and potions. Gil is earned by participating in the Colosseum battles, with rarer bosses offering generous payouts. Some abilities and settlement buildings can also boost your Gil earnings, helping you amass wealth faster. Your current Gil balance is always visible in the top right corner of the screen, as well as the home page and any shop vendor. If you don't have enough Gil to purchase an item, it will appear grayed out and unselectable, letting you know at a glance what's out of reach for now. Materials. Leather, ore, timber, oil, cloth, fossilite, and precious gemstones are essential upgrade materials used to construct and enhance buildings within your settlement. You can obtain these materials in several ways. Purchase them from the marketplace in the settlement section, earn them through victory in monster battles. Some enemies, especially nightmare monsters, have a higher chance of dropping materials. You can also sell excess materials in the marketplace if you have a surplus, turning resources into Gil. Rewards. Defeating powerful foes such as bosses, kings, legends, avatars, or hunter nems can earn you valuable rewards including equipment, unlocks, and more. If a monster offers a reward, it will be displayed in the rewards section of the monster's profile. Unlocked equipment can be viewed anytime from your profile section. For other rewards and progress tracking, check the battlement manual or achievements. Track your victories, collect your spoils, and become a legend. Happy hunting! Blue spells. Blue spells can be unlocked by repeatedly defeating regular monsters in either normal or nightmare mode, or by defeating a zone NM. When a monster offers a blue spell reward, its requirements will be clearly listed. Keep an eye out for eligible enemies during your battles. Once unlocked, these spells can be used against avatars that are weak to them, based on the avatar's elemental affiliation and level. The more blue spells you collect, the stronger your strategy becomes, greatly improving your odds in tough avatar battles. These spells may also become usable with specific equipment, expanding their tactical value even further. Master the monsters, steal their powers, and turn that power against them.